Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on your YouTube account. So for the demo purpose, I will show you how to change the email address for one of our demo account. So you need to log into your YouTube channel and then go to your YouTube channel page. Click on this customize channel and then click on settings. After that, you need to click on this permission. Then there is an option to change the email here. So you need to click manage permission. So once you click manage permission, then this page will open. Then here you need to click manage permission again. Currently the notifying gauge is the primary owner of this YouTube channel. So how to change this? So click this invite user. Then you need to add your email address, the email address, or if you know the particular email address channel, you need to type it here. This is one of my email addresses. Then just click the status for the role. Let's say I will choose owner and click invite. So once you click invite, now the email is sent to this email address. So now the invitation is received at my provided email address. So just click and accept. Once you refresh it, so see here, now we successfully added the email address. Once you click primary owner and transfer, click transfer. Now we successfully change this email address for this particular YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.